Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a pretty long time that I have not posted, but from now onwards I'll try to be very regular and post every day. So let's start our new series, and it's from TryHackMe. That's Offensive Security Introduction. So what is offensive security? To outsmart a hacker, you need to think like one hacker. Exactly. So in order to outsmart somebody, you need to think what's their point of view, what's their perspective, how actually they are going to do if you were at that place, right? And this is the core of offensive security. It involves breaking into the computer systems, exploiting the bugs, and then finding the loopholes to gain unauthorized access. The goal is to understand the hackers' tactics and enhance our system's defenses. So, beginning your learning journey, in this Try Hack Me lesson, you'll be guided through hacking your first website in a legal and safe environment. The goal is to show you how ethical hacker operates. Exactly. Let's do this together. What what is the following? Which of the following option better represents the process where you simulate a hacker's action to find vulnerabilities? You're simulating a hacker's action, and that is offensive security. So it's offensive security. Great. Let's start with this. Acknowledge. Here at TryHackMe, we use virtual machines to create simulated environments that serve as a practical complements to the lesson. So we have prepared a fake bank application that's called Fake Bank that you can safely hack. To start this machine, click on the Start Machine button. Let the machine initialize first. Till the time, let's just read what's written. Your screen should be split in half, showing this content on the left and newly launched machine on the right. Exactly, that's what's happening. If you hide it later, you can always click on the Show Split View button at the top to display it again, and you should see a browser window like this. Okay. If you don't see the one, use the Show Split View button at the top of this page. Here it is. Okay. Let this initialize. Yes. So this is the website. Great. Now your first hack. We'll use a command line application called GoBuster to brute force Fake Bank's website to find hidden directories and pages. GoBuster will take a list of pages and directory names and try accessing a website with each of them if that page exists, and it will tell you. So just open a terminal. Let's try. Oh, I'm sorry. No. Let me just search. Oh. Yes, here is the terminal. A terminal known as a command line that uses us to interact with the computer without using a GUI. So on the machine, open a terminal icon on the right of the screen. Use GoBuster to find some hidden website pages. So most companies have an admin portal page, giving their staff access to some basic controls, right? So basically, whenever you're also viewing something, you don't have all the access. Some accesses are with the admin, some accesses are just for the user, and some accesses are actually super users. So they have some admin accesses. So for a bank, an employee might need to transfer money to and from client accounts, right? So due to human error, there may be instances when these pages are not made private, allowing attackers to find those hidden pages that shows or gives access to admin controls or sensitive data. To begin, type the following command into the terminal to find some hidden pages on the fake bank's website using GoBuster. So let's try this. GoBuster /u http, sorry, that's not a secured website, fakebank.thm/w word list.txt directory. So if you can just see that the command will run and show you a similar output like this exactly. Then in this is used to state the website we are scanning. /u, this is the website we are scanning, and /w takes a list of the words to iterate to find those hidden pages, right? You'll see GoBuster scans with each word in the list, finding pages that exist on the site. GoBuster will have told you the pages on the list names indicated by the status 200. Hack the bank. You should have found a secret bank transfer page that allows you to transfer money between the bank accounts. Type the hidden page into the fake bank website using the browser's address bar. Unable to connect to this. Wait, it showed us something another, right? We didn't get this bank transfer and images. Let me just why it shows a name. Oh, I missed. I should have written it again. Go busted, but spellings are wrong, my bad. It's FAKE. So now let it just go on. So now see, there is an images page and there is a bank transfer page. So that bank transfer page is not secured, right? So that is the hidden page. You can just go into the fake bank website and just get the access to this bank transfer page. So this is /bank transfer. See, you got access to their admin portal. An attacker has authorized access and can steal money from any bank account. As an ethical hacker, you would find vulnerabilities in this application and then report them to the bank to fix them before a hacker exploits them. Your mission is to transfer $2,000 from bank account this to your bank account this. If your transfer was successful, you should now be able to see your new balance reflected on your bank account page. Go there now and confirm you got the money. You may need to hit refresh for the changes. Send from 2276 to 8881. Amount is 2000. Send. See, transfer was completed. About your account balance, you should now see a message indicating the answer to this question. Can you find the answer you need? Go there now and confirm you got the money. Answer to this question. What was the question? Good. Oh yes, congratulations, you've hacked. It's bank hack. And then it says that how can I start learning? Often wonder how to others become hackers or defenders. And the answer is simple. Break it down. Just learn an area of cybersecurity you're interested in. Regularly practice using hands-on exercises. Build a habit of learning a little bit each day, and you acquire the knowledge to get your first job. Trust us, you can do it. Just take a look at some people who've used TryHackMe, from a construction worker to a security, from a music teacher to a security. Brandon used this while at school to get his first job. What careers are there? Penetration testing, red team, security engineers. So yes. Okay. So our offensive security and then in the next video we'll do the defensive security introduction. Thank you very much. Do subscribe to the channel too. I'll be trying to post regularly and we'll together learn this so that we can just at least get our